keep your workspace ready, not only as a beginner artist but as a really professional artist as well, or as an artist who regularly works on what they want to work. If they don't have one dedicated space that where they can just go and create and call that space their own, it is very very difficult to motivate yourself to just get out of those thoughts and start creating. And that space doesn't really have to be a studio. That can be just one corner on your kitchen table, or that can be just one corner on in your drawing room, or some place in your house that is totally occupied, but you can still have that one corner for yourself. That is enough, where you can just keep your sketchbook ready, where you can just keep your paints ready, where you can just have a little pouch of some pencils, some art supplies that you really love. Just when the things are ready, it just motivates you to just stop thinking a lot and just start creating.